What's up, guys? Steve here from Car Break In Now. We're getting ready for a huge Sunday fun day. Appreciate you guys filling it up. It is a great lineup. As soon as I put it together, I knew it was going to be a popular one. SPA, we don't have a lot of F15, 16 SPA in stock anymore just because it's so expensive these days. But Premier and Ultimate Collection, all of the last 3 years. Going to be a hell of a break, plus autographed jersey, plus overtime wheel. Let's do it. Here we go. It is 10:57. There's your teams: Anaheim, Winnie, Adam, Brandon. And again, last time checked, 10:57. I'm about to turn 10:58. 1, 2, 3. Barely. Timestamp. Yeah, sorry for the delay. I was watching the Marvel superheroes. That was a good one. Third timestamp. 10:58. 10:58. Last and final. Last and final timestamp is 10:58 and 10:58. Let's copy them over. Detroit to the Islanders. And there's your big Edmonton. Looking for a couple different teams here, so you're not going to be too bad with a couple teams. There's your teams. It is 10:58, and here's your names again. Adam and Brandon. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3. 10:58. 10:58, last and final, we'll do it. Last and final timestamp says 10:59 and 10:59 it is. Clay, top spot. Tim at the halfway mark. And then Erica to Nick. Let's do it. Here's your teams. We'll see you in about 10 minutes. Best of luck.